Welcome to the Motomed tutorial Training Data Analysis. The intelligent Motomed models provide feedback during and after training. The resulting training data analysis can be transferred to a USB stick and then conveniently analyzed on a PC. To do this, select the Evaluation button on the home screen. Now you have the option of evaluating the last training session, selecting a past training session from the calendar view, or viewing the entire training data. All Motomed models provide a variety of training feedback. Training values such as duration, distance, symmetry, total energy, tone, the average and maximum active performance, as well as the active and passive training percentage can be evaluated in the training data analysis. To export the training data, insert a USB stick into the interface on the bottom of the control unit. As soon as the stick is recognized, select the Export button. Once the export process is complete, the USB stick can be removed and the exported data can be analyzed and evaluated on a PC, for example in Microsoft Excel.